Just arrived at Cape Arid, bay number 1. I left at 12 o'clock and it's 2:20 and I'm all set up, ready to go. Showers up, the whole lot. Got the awning out today. It's 28 degrees, no wind, well, very little, it's very calm. Sensational conditions. Just cracked me first can. Go for a drive around the beach soon. Got the shower all set up, ready to go. Just went through the river there and spotted a big heap of emus. Yeah, just drive along the beach here and done a couple of days and I spotted some salmon. There's some school of salmon in those dark spots. There's some salmon there. I'll put the drone up, see if we can spot them. I think I found a spot to fish. It's all pretty flat here, got a bit of an offshore breeze blowing. And I spotted some dolphins. There they are. Well, I'll check that out. I'll get the drone out again. Awesome. Oh, I was just filming some dolphins in with a drone. Thought I'd check the radar. I'm about to get smashed. Oh my god, look how dark it is out there. It'll quickly pass over though. Big storms just passed over and I just wound the window down and have a look at this. Got a couple of mates joining me. Wow, they're pretty cool, aren't they? I don't want to get out of the car now, I'm going to scare them off. A little bit of rain still happening, but not too bad. Check this out. Offshore wind straight at me back here. Oh, I think I need to rebait. Saturday morning, wake up, dead calm, it's just overcast and slight rain. Wow, slept in 8:30, it was so good. Oh, it's nice and dark in that camper. Anyway, I better knock a feed up. Oh, getting hungry and had a cup of tea. No fish last night, unfortunately. Hardly even got a bite actually, it was bloody amazing. Anyway, we'll go back and have another go today. Oh, look at this, real eerie, isn't it? A very low cloud, rain, no wind, can't see very far. Anyway, I'll go for a drive around the beach, and yesterday I spotted emus, dolphins, I don't know what else. Yeah, that was a bit, oh yeah, schools of salmon, that's right. See what we can see today. Yeah, about 1:30 over, I was just cruising along the beach, pulled up, thought oh, maybe have some fish for some herring. Something in the water there, we'll go and have a look. Righto, so the Arvo, nice onshore breeze, very light. I just caught a nice skippy. I was actually fishing for herring. And got that nice little skippy there. I was actually fishing for herring for bait. Yeah, it's probably about 5 o'clock, or a bit after 5. Oh, the weather's sensational, eh? Very slight breeze, straight on shore. All I've got is one skippy though. Oh man. Perfect conditions. Not a bad little gutter there. Yeah, mull away, mull away, mull away. Woke up to this Sunday morning. It's very light drizzle, just like yesterday morning. Unbelievable. Overcast. No wind, just a little bit of rain. Anyway, I'm going to pack up and head home. Geez, a lot of people out here this weekend again. Yeah. Getting a popular spot, I tell you. Look at that, not even a leaf moving on a tree there, so calm.